G'day ladies and gents, welcome to the Prestige Detailing Studio. This is the transformation of my garage from boring... G'day ladies and gents, welcome to the Prestige Detailing Studio. This is the transformation of my boring double garage into my dream detail studio. Thanks for watching. So that's all the garage all cleaned up, all the rubbish that had to go is now gone. Now we just got to sort everything out. That's going to take a bit of time, and then I've got to clean all the garage floor, the walls, the whole lot, get all the sand out of there, spray for bugs, and yeah, it's going to be, yeah, stay tuned. So I've had the garage all cleaned out with the help of my girlfriend. Thank you very much for that. Had the bug bomb go off, so been 2 hours, and now I've aired it out for half an hour. Now next is to sweep it all out, get all the sand up into the bin, and pressure wash the floor and make sure it's all nice and neat and tidy. Just always remember to wear your safety glasses. Like, as you saw before, I wasn't wearing it and some sand flicked up in my eye. It's actually irritating me now, so just easy done, put them on, saves you a lot of trouble. Thank you very much, let's get back to it. Well, there you go, all done now. So yeah, this place was an absolute dump. I've, just moved in here not too long ago, so all the boxes and everything has just been piled in here, and it's just, it got too much. And then, yeah, I needed this space, so it all had to go, cleaned up, degreased the floor, pressure washed the floor. Yeah, basically, just cleaned the whole place out, and it's looking a lot better. It's a lot more room here. Now I can sort of work out where everything's going to go in my studio, and yeah, it's going to be a little bit of fun. So thank you for watching and staying tuned. Hope you like like the content. It's my first video, so I don't really, I'm still getting used to all this, so I hope that's a journey you guys can take with me. Like, share, subscribe, comment. I want to hear your feedback, what you think of the video, what you think of the space, the potential. Yeah, I'd like to hear your feedback, guys. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again soon.